In today's video, let's talk about on how to fix YouTube Shorts not showing. So if you already have uploaded YouTube Shorts to your channel and if it is not currently visible or showing up on the Shorts section, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can do in these situations is try to update the YouTube platform. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device, and if you have new updates available, make sure you update the application. The second thing that you can also try out is try to clear out the local storage cache. So simply tap and hold the app of YouTube, head over to the eye icon, and once you're here, you can head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache. If you're on an iOS device, you can head over to your iPhone storage and then offload the application. Now, even after doing both of these steps, you're still having issues with it. The other thing that you can also try out is try to opt out of YouTube beta program. So if you're currently a beta program user or a beta version user of YouTube, you need to simply opt out of it. So again, head over to the Play Store or the App Store, and if you are a beta user, you should be able to see the beta being displayed right here. So you can just head out or uninstall the beta version and download the normal version of YouTube. So using these three methods or using one of these three methods, you'd be able to fix the YouTube Shorts not showing. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.